Hi again, my favorite humanoids. Let's play some Enlisted. Yes. Do you own a house from the 1950s? Oh my god. I tell you, nothing straight, nothing square. Oh, gee. Oh my, the pain, the suffering. Oh, do you know, I wonder how you can get frustrated? You just need to take off a floor and try to install a new one with the quality that is today. Oh. Anyways, goddamn. Let's play. Where's my coffee? Look at that, aircraft. Is this the one with the caverns? Oh, yeah, no wonder why nobody's there. We are attacking. Four flaps on takeoff. This is just such a sucky aircraft I got. I need to just level past this one, I think. And take another troop in. Perhaps tanks. Look at that. What have I got? I've got 100 pounds of freedom and democracy, and 100 pounds of freedom and 100 pounds of democracy. I have no height. I'm just in the correct height to get shot down.
Our team started capturing a control point.
Oh! Not even one single hit. And look at that, anti-personnel mines, that means BR2. And we got, where is it at now? Hope something was there. Where am I?
Excellent. Yeah. Move out to the next control point.
Look at that.
Our boys are capturing a position. You're capturing a control point.
Ha! Oh! Let's,
Just die! Damn! Get me back! Get out of
oh!
magazine's empty. Reloading.
Oh! Jesus Christ. Not myself. I could have been a hero. No, no, no. But I didn't. But that last machine gun I had there, that was some sweet Muppet. Oh.
Watch out! Grenade incoming!
Come on. Cause this the speed of this game is almost too much. Almost too much for an old man. Yeah, that's also. Oh, I really lost that much health. Oh, come on. Let's take the other one. Now we have dropped a medkit. Don't set yourself on fire now, old man.
Hey, come out! Reloading! Someone's eager to die!
Oh! How many are dead now? Oh my god. What do I got here? A Mills grenade. Ah. So much for that. Let's take this one. Oh yeah. There's somebody who needs enemy coordinates.
I'm reloading! I'm all out! Reloading! Just die! It'll be a whole lot easier for both of us! Oh, why am I this guy? This guy. It's so quiet here, I think the war is over.
Our men are capturing the position.
jump into this giant foxhole.
That was too easy. Yes.
Our forces are in position.
You know, I'm so old and retarded, I cannot even register.
He wasn't so hard.
Our boys are capturing the position.
I'm coming for you. Let's go. Die, you bastard!
Our men are capturing the position.
Oh my god. Okay, I think I'm going here, yeah, okay. Somewhere up high.
Easier for us both. Just died already.
What the hell?
You're mine. Okay, you have to hold that point.
No, my AI are so bloody stupid. I said over here.
Sir, yes, sir.
I said do not engage the goddamn enemy. Are you still hanging on around me?
Reloading. Reloading.
Oh. Look at that, I just have to retreat from the battle and we are winning already. That's the recipe. What's that? Oh my god. Okay. I was unhappy with that aircraft anyways. What the hell? Did he just bump my ass? Renamed. Why? You cheating bastard, my son.
Our forces are taking the control point.
Reloading! That's right! Unit! Forward!
Oh lag. Oh lag. Oi, the lag.
Our team started capturing a control point.
You want more? Give me cover! Attack the ship here! Hold it, fire! Keep it on! Good! Make sure we don't! He's fine! My magazine's empty! Reloading! Need cover! Come on! Defend that point! I got it!
Keep the pressure on.
Oh my god. This dude. I need a faster shooting little bastard. Can't be true. That's the. I think number 2 pilot has the one I like. Just need to check out which one that is. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm a rebel without a cause. Come on, I haven't got a clear sight. Oh my. What the hell is this? Sniper. What did the... Oh, it was the... He closed the door for for maximum effect.
Capturing the position. Taking the position.
No. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. It was a win, but what a terrible game. Okay, at least not last. That is always something. Got new levels. All my yeah, this guy that has the submachine gun that I want. I managed to knock out one tank. Okay, and I'm close to getting that. So let's check out this guy. He has that sten, and it is his sten is like there, and I got, oh my god, and this guy has the M3 submachine gun, which is the one. So why? Yeah, the rate of fire. You know what? We're going to battle. We're gonna take this one. We're gonna take that one. You, my good friend, you are out of there. Can I perhaps upgrade it? No. I'll just wait about upgrading shits. And I probably take this one as well. We're going to, this then is going there. Can I upgrade that any further? Oh yeah. Can I upgrade it even further? No. So let's just upgrade all available. And go back and this and that and this and back. It's useless. We need to have, I need to have fast. Compensate for bad aiming. Hehe. Anyways, one last game. Then I go into back to getting the tech video done. It takes a lot to do the narration and the illustrations and the script and shit. When it's not news, you know. That's a hard fact. This is what was this? What do I got here? Can't I press 80 gunner? Did they have bazookas here? Or a stupid gun? A BR2? Ah ha ha! Happy days. And they coming from there. Any movement, any movement. I hate this, man. I can hear them. It's down there. You never know. I can hear food from my gun. Oh my god! sniper on the roof. Hey. You protect yourself. Oh, at the second time I had the fucking. It will help. All of my dudes are dead. Easy potato. No, of course. Bastard. I don't, if you don't mind me saying, that was a bloody good throw of the explosion thingy. Yes? The doors are open. Naturally vented. Yes. This game is soon gonna be over.
Let's go!
I couldn't even manage to. What the fuck are you doing?
I need cover, reloading! Alright, at any cost, hold that position!
God damn. I swear to God, these AIs are stupid. The worst AIs ever! What the hell?
You want more?
And the sniper. Still that stupid aircraft. Oh.
We've taken too many casualties. We lost this battle.
Yeah. Obviously, one major ass kicking, yeah. Me in top 4. That's for sure a bad team. So, should we check out perks? Oh. This. Anyways, I won't take you through this, that, and this. Oh, let's just call it quits for tonight. I'm going to do some tech video, and we are going to play